Yeah! Hi, today I would like to show you MVP Award Kit box. What you will get there. I will not speak today about how to become a Microsoft MVP or what benefits you will get, because we have a lot of interesting and awesome videos about that. Today I would like just to show you what will be in your Award Kit box. That box was sent to me in the 10th day after getting official email from Microsoft that I'm become an MVP for 2021, and it arrives in 9 days to me. It was yesterday. So let's start our unboxing. I hope I'm doing it from the right side.
Wow.
Okay.
What?
Surprise, surprise, inside the box is another one box. Is 2021 Microsoft Most Valuable Professional Award. Let's open the box itself. Okay, let's open it for this camera. Just sorry, let me check. Okay. First of all, thank you. Thank you, Microsoft. And we have congratulations and some benefits and some common information also we could get from Microsoft page. We have pretty nice label pin with a magnet. Oh, let me show for this camera. I don't see that camera, so let's show it here. Here also I have a year 2021, which was award. I got also a table with my name, so I can put it on the wall or in my table. Okay, what's next we have inside? Okay, we have the largest box. Let me just put it out. Okay, it's a huge one. In the bottom I also got a card, Microsoft Valuable Professional, with my name and ID and with the years, so you could just put it somewhere here. Everyone could recognize me easily. Okay, I got some stickers. I love stickers. Okay. And some information for me. I will not show you. Sorry. With some DNA and other stuff. And let's just check if it's everything from. Yes, it's everything from the box. And just this. Wait, I remove stickers and the latest box. Okay, and here is award itself. Let's start from the smaller part with a year 2021.
Wow.
Yeah. And the award itself with the glass and the whole our planet. We recognize and value your exceptional contributions to technical communities worldwide. Microsoft Most Valuable Professional. And let's put our first recognitions there. Awesome. Yeah, it's everything from that box. Yeah. So it's all what you will get as Microsoft MVP Award Kit, which will be shipped to you less than a month after you become a Microsoft MVP. Really thank you for your recognition, Microsoft. I will try to do my best and do more videos in this channel. Really thanks everyone who watched that. See you soon with my next videos. I will try to make them more than in 2021. Thanks everyone. Goodbye.
Yay!